Okay, a little bit of fun here. XRT versus X-Maxx. Just a short little track. Let's see what happens. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he's almost flipped it already. On the inside of the little tree. Outside of this one here. And floor it. Oh, XRT handling, pulling away. X-Maxx going wide every time around those tight hairpins. Oh, he's cleaned up the tree already. Oh, this is my final lap. And there we go. One win for the XRT. X-Maxx comes in second. All right, let's swap radios. And let's see what happens with different drivers. All right, here we go. I'm on the X-Maxx now. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh God, I can feel the weight. You have to go so much slower. It's so frustrating. You're like cranking on the wheel of the radio. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I gotta really whip that tail around. Oh, yeah, third lap. Oh, what? Is he playing with me? Oh, yeah, the X-Maxx got the lead. Oh, no, he's got me again on that turn. Always. Come on. No, he's got me. That was definitely a lot closer, but he's got me. You were just toying with me, weren't you? Doink. Oh, all right, let's go again. We'll swap radios one more time. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Geez, the XRT, the XRT just out handles the X-Maxx every time. Speed-wise, oh look at his hip, using hip and shoulder. Speed-wise, they're very similar, but where it counts is the handling. All right, he's got me now. See if I can catch him. Oh! That's the equivalent of hitting a cone. All right, one more lap. Come on, let's see if we can. Oh! Oh no, that's game over. He's hit the other tree. I'm just cruising past. Oh, you had it for a bit there. Oh, he used a bit of hip and shoulder on one of the turns, and had me on the outside. I had to come back, but yeah, the XRT just turns way too sharply around the bends. All right, let's do one more. Stop again.
It's if you can straighten it up and get the speed on it, I've got you. But I cannot slow it up.
You can't pull up enough to turn.
I was trying to block turn you. So I was trying to come into your inside on speed.
You did it, and you did it, and you did it.
So I thought, if I go, I'm gone.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, oh yes! Come on, X-Maxx. He's got to play catch up now. Oh, going way wide. Go on, turn it in.
Oh, I thought I was going to hit the tree.
Oh, he's buggered up. He's buggered up. Come on, whip that tail around. Oh, he's coming back already. Got to turn that big, heavy. It's like trying to drive a tank. Oh, ah, he's got me. I was trying to keep it wide. Oops. I was trying to keep it wide. No, he's got me clean. Oh, that was better. That was much better. But there's a clear handling difference between the two. Okay, so we got a new racetrack over here. A new vantage point. You got a nice long straight. This should be a little bit more interesting. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Going around that tree, around the little one here, around here. Make a left. Whoa, keeping it tight. Make a right. Don't forget to go around the big tree. And then gun it. And then hook it. Oh, going way too wide for the XRT. X-Maxx even wider. And then hook the left, make it tight. Hook it. Oh, hit the tree, but it's okay. Back on the long straight. Turn it around that way. Oh, keep it tight. Come on, come on. XRT for the win. Oh, he's taken out at half a tree already. Here we go, XRT. Final lap. Way ahead, way ahead. I'm just going to conserve battery here. The X-Maxx just cannot keep up on the turns. And looks like I've got a stick or something here, just being really annoying.
The steak.
Yeah, you just absolutely demolished the steak over there. All right, so now I'm on the X-Maxx. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, come on. Oh, jeez. Come on, concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Here we go. Tight left. Whip that tail around for the right. Keep it smooth around the turn. Brake. Here we go. Oh, it's giving the XRT a run now. Come on. Oh, this S-bend just kills the X-Maxx. Woo! Up on 3 wheels. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, I can't keep up. I have the power, just not the handling. It's so quick on the, whoa, it's so quick on the straight. I just don't have the power, the handling in the corners. Yeah, XRT gone, man. There's no point. There's just no point. I cannot. It's like he's a clean half a lap ahead of me. There's just no point. Far out. I think it's decided. I mean, it's a lot of fun.
A lot of fun.
This is a lot of fun, but yeah, jeez. All right, let's change it up. Let's do the same course, but let's go the other way, just for shits and giggles. So we'll go around the big tree there, back around the little tree, around here, back over there, and then down the straight this side. I'll stay on the X-Maxx this time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, already he's lost he's out of battery. No, you probably still would. No, it's all right. I knew. Well, this X-Maxx is running 8,000 milliamps, so it's got. And there we go. Look, it's actually doing its job. It's beeping. Excellent. So low voltage alarm definitely works. But there we go. The X-Maxx versus the XRT. A little bit of fun, a bit of RC race wars, RC carnage, I guess you could call it. These two will definitely meet again at some stage in the future. But that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.